Hey friends, it's Jeff.
Brittany and Connor
From our Paradise Falls.
Welcome back to Our Piece of Paradise.
We are starting our Memorial Day weekend here at Walt Disney World.
Woo!
Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind open today. We're about to go into Creations and look for some Cosmic Rewind merch. It was crazy hectic in there. Unfortunately, they didn't have any more of the pass holder shirts. Hopefully they'll restock soon. We did get the pass holder pins. Making our way over to the attraction right now. Our boarding group has been called. Let's go ride.
That you will explore.
And I'm also the captain. Captain Leader.
I thought the leader was Star-Lord.
Yeah, we only let him think that. And don't call him Star-Lord. His close friends call him Peter J. Quill.
And the cosmic generator is gone.
Cheerio, Bonnet. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the guard.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps? Our cosmic generator has been stolen. What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
Really big man outside your ship. That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I've been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not crazy at all. It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so fast?
rock and roll from existence.
Alex, we have no room in our ship for these new guys.
Drax, it's an honorary title.
We just got off of Cosmic Rewind. It was awesome. We had a blast. We got One Way or Another again. Come on, Guardians. We need a new song. Next time, tomorrow when we ride again, we need a new song. But for the festivities for opening weekend, Joffrey's has a specialty awesome drink. We have it right here. Brittany, what's inside of this awesome drink?
It is a blend of frozen lemon ice with a splash of Minute Maid lemonade with dessert pear syrup. It's topped with the chewy green jelly stars.
What do you think of your awesome drink? Is it awesome?
It's sour.
It's what?
Sour. It's
Sour?
really sour. It's perfect.
We're all feeling a little hungry after Guardians, so we decided to come to Connections to try it for the very first time. Brittany, what did you get?
I got this ginormous slice of pepperoni pizza. It actually looks really good.
I got, I believe, the
Southwestern burger.
Yep, the Southwest burger. It's got some guac on it. It's got some pico de gallo. It actually looks really appetizing, so I'm really looking forward to that. Connor, what did you get?
Chicken tenders and fries.
Why do you always eat chicken, bro?
I don't know.
All right, Connor, go.